Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our second video on Microsoft Excel 365 array functions. In our first video, we covered sort by, and unique. Today, we will try to cover the filter function. Okay. Just as I explained in the video 1, we will use this data, which is our sample data generated by our Excel tool. And let us move to filter function. In our first session, where we used unique and sort functions to create this list, right, as you see here. So, let me update this ahead to update if anything. See, earlier we were using this offset function. So, instead of that, now we have this array function. So, we will use B5 and this ampersand sign. Okay. Now it is updated. Okay. Filter function. See here. So here, let us say for example, if I will change this value, it is getting changed, right, attack. So SORTBY. This is how it is. Okay. Now, if you see here, this in this sheet or example, we had not updated that one. So, what I will do, I will take function from here, Control C, and I will come in the filter and I will paste it here to make it dynamic, right. Done. Now, what I will do, these headings I have pasted manually. So, what I will do, I will again array functions should have enough cells on the right side and down sides if it has to expand on right or bottom. So, I will remove this. Now, I will write this function again. What it will do, it will take this value to filter, right. In this video, I will only cover to pass one parameter, right, in order to keep it simple. Okay, equal to filter tab. Okay, first is array. What to filter? Okay, I will come here and shift control right arrow key and down arrow key, right, then comma, right. So, then what is next? Include. It is saying include what? Your filter will be based on which column. Okay. So, that is my city. So, I will come here and same shift control down arrow key to select all data. Okay. It is saying okay, this one, then its syntax is this should be equal to what? Equal to, then I will come on filter and I will select this value. This is E5 and close. Done. How it is? Right? Easy. Huh? Now, I will try to change over here. See, it is coming for that city. Patoki, Quetta, right. So, if you will download our data generation tool, you can create your own cities or data as you want. This is just a sample data based on my tool. Okay. So, now if I come here, again if you will have data on this side, some data, these are not empty cells, it will give error. Same downside, right. So, it will give you spill error, right. So, ideally this cell should be empty, otherwise it will give error. Let us try. I will copy this function, right, and let me remove this, right, and then I am putting something here, let us say 1, 2, 3, 4, right. Now, I will put it function here. So, if I put it here, it will give me spell error. Why? Because under amount there is some value, right? It is giving me spell error. I should remove this. Got it? And same way downward. Okay. Let me see if anything is there here. Okay. Here, if there is no value, you can return the value. Let us say no data found or something like that, whatever. I put it blank, so if there is no, it should show the blank, right. Since we have the list generated from that data, means there must be data. Otherwise, in this list city will not be there, right. So, this is my validation, Peshawar, yeah, it is showing me the data. Now, if you see here, all these lists are dynamic, and next time when you will come in sale and you got any extra sale, you will just insert at the end and everything will be ready. Everything will be ready. So, if I go to here and I will try to find, let us say BB, right, I have the data. So, just imagine now, let me add one more city record here, FF, and we will see if it is updated everywhere or not. I am just putting few F, right. Okay. Filter. Let me first see here, it is there, right, automatically added, and my list is there. Oh, got it, the data is there. Okay, let me add some change the value, so you will see that okay, this is data F. Let us say test product, right, filter, see it is showing me test, right. Okay. With the sort function, you can also sort, let us say based on amount or sales, and sort has descending or ascending parameter as well. So, you can use that as well. What else? I think we have covered filter as well. Now, you can use in your reports this filter. In next some video, I will try to add more filters over here, like condition. If city is equal to this and product is this, another way is if city is this or city is this, something like that. So, and or operators we will try to use, right. Okay. Now, I think we have covered these 3 topics. So, my next topic or next video will be on random array and sequence. Those will be straightforward and easy. So, keep in touch and thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.